ka Mount Olive Culinary and Hospitality Management Shillong ka khot admission haki professional courses bapair ya ka jingtip ka ba khamnya lecture ka city office 100 academy ha malki
Riboy District layo panyishim bentalem ha kaban rakhi ya ka Republic Day ka banyop saw bat kumju ya ka lingku snem ka ba santhwe ka jingyo jong ka Mikhalia yala ka jong ka jala ka bapura da ka jingelang ka blalong hapo madan nongpo Riboy District ha ka ni ka si lawan ban saki ya ka ni ka Republic Day da u Deputy Commissioner Riboy u Arpit Upadhyay IAS kumukongsan ki he officer ki tanat rekam ba prepare ka Riboy ringkat ki khana school bat kinong shnong jong Riboy komojulong man laus nem menta ka kentiru kaladon gijing pen inam ya kitablu play shimta ni office sarkar bar kaladon ru gijing sam ki khusna me ki nong job ha gijing pen inam ya kitablu nangta ki nong job ha ka march pass bat ha ka jing shat rai apa pas ki nong job ha gijing pen i nam ya kitablu layo ningkong daka tanat health department ba art tanat fisheries bat balai de election department apa pai ha kalang ka march pass ka school JNV layo ya ka kedan ka ningkong baar da ka St Paul High Secondary School ban party pat ka balai layo e ka de Riboy Presbyterian School ha ka bayde ha ka Shatnrai ya ka nam bringkong lara da ki JNV School ba lara da ka St Paul High Secondary School pat ya ka nam ka balai layo da ka JNV School.
On this momentous occasion of 74th Republic Day and on the 51st anniversary of the statehood of Meghalaya. It was on this day in 1950 that India was established as the largest democratic republic. Our constitution is a testament to the values of democracy, justice, liberty and equality that have guided our nation since its inception. As citizens of India, we are protected by the fundamental rights that are enshrined in our constitution. We must also remember our fundamental duties which are provided in part 4A of the constitution in article 51A. Republic Day is a time for all the Indians to come together and celebrate the values and principles that make our country great. It is a time to remember the sacrifices and struggles of our freedom fighters and to reaffirm our commitment to build a better, more prosperous and inclusive nation of all. Let us fondly remember the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, who always regarded humanity as his religion and showed us the path of peace and non-violence to fight for freedom of our great nation. There is no greater sacrifice known to a man than giving up his life to defend the integrity and sovereignty of the nation. Let us also remember the supreme sacrifices made by martyrs in our freedom struggle. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. On this day, let us also pay homage to all the patriots of Meghalaya, U Tirop Singh, U Kyan Nyamba and Pa Togan and Sanma. I would also like to express my gratitude to the members of the armed and the paramilitary forces and the Meghalaya police for their selfless services rendered for the safety and security of our citizens. Meghalaya was declared a state of the Indian Union on 21st January 1972 by carving out 2 districts from the state of Assam. This memorable occasion is celebrated every year as the Statehood Day. On 21st January 2022, Meghalaya state celebrated 50 years of statehood with Let us also remember the sacrifices and non-violent struggle of all the leaders and citizens of the Hill State movement which fought for our beloved state. The overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. The state government has taken steps to move towards a permanent resolution to the long-standing border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. An MOU was signed between the two states in presence of the Honorable Union Home Minister for 6 of the 12 areas of difference. In a historic development, the HNLC has expressed its willingness for unconditional talks without any preconditions and within the ambit of the Constitution of India. The peace talks have started and we are thankful to the Government of India for their support. The Sustainable Development Goals provide a framework for overall governance and achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Agenda 2030. The Government of Meghalaya had published its first SDG budget report for the financial year 2022-23, which was developed with an objective to capture the state's allocation for improvement in SDGs. My dear citizens, India has assumed the G20 presidency for the first time in 2023. It is a proud moment for every Indian as our country is recognized as a global leader. The theme of the G20 presidency, which is World is One Family, in itself is a reflection of the rich culture and value system that is imbibed in our society. India will host over 200 meetings in over 50 cities across 32 different work streams. As part of various programs of G20, Shillong will be hosting the Space 20 program on 17th and 18th April 2023. The objective of this meeting will be to discuss how space partnerships can contribute to the growth of the economy of G20 nations while ensuring sustainability in line with India's G20 theme, One Earth, One Family, One Future.